Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can buy NFTs on OpenSea with your Coinbase wallet. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, you need to log in into your Coinbase account. As you're logged into your Coinbase account, on the other interface, you need to click on the trade icon located right at the bottom. As soon as you click on the trade icon, a drop down menu appears and from there you'll need to click on buy. Next, you'll redirect to the page where you need to select an asset and you also need to enter the amount, and once you're done entering the amount, click on buy. So the ETH or the Ethereum should be transferred in a few days. When the process is going on, you need to go to your wallet account and then copy the wallet address, and you'll need to head back to your Coinbase account. And once again a drop down menu appears and from there you need to click on send. And as you click on send, once again you need to select Ethereum and then you need to paste in the wallet address and then click on send. So then click on the continue and your Ethereum or ETH should show up in your wallet after a couple of minutes. So after you bought Ethereum on your Coinbase account, now you need to log in into your OpenSea, and in the top right corner of your screen you'll be able to see a wallet tab. You need to click on it. After you click on the wallet tab, it will take you to your profile page offering insight into any tokens that you've created, and you'll need to collect the purchase. So press buy now if you have found your NFT, and you may need to review several details about the purchase before finalizing the transaction. If the transaction looks good, proceed to the checkout and review the cost of the purchase, and then you need to mark on the terms and conditions and then click on checkout to complete the transfer. This would bring you to your wallet and lay down the final cost, including any applicable fee on the blockchain, and then click on confirm, and that is how you can buy NFTs on OpenSea with Coinbase Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.